If you see here also some artwork going on. और यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे ब्यूटीफुल आर्ट इंस्टॉलेशन मिल जाएंगे, जैसे ये बटरफ्लाई का. Some nice seating area also because people come here, sit all day. एक हफ्ते से देख रहा हूँ मैं. Some nice central location. There's an exhibition going on. ये विजुअल आर्ट्स गैलरी, यहाँ पे एग्जीबिशन वगैरह होता है. ये इनसाइड एरिया. लॉट ऑफ आर्ट इंस्टॉलेशंस, बट अभी आई डोंट नो, मेंटेनेंस के लिए पैक लग रहे हैं. यू कैन पॉज एंड रीड. सो ये एक टेम्परेरी एग्जीबिशन है जहाँ पे इंडिया के विभिन्न कोने से जो हमारा टेक्सटाइल का रिच एक ट्रेडिशन है उसको सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है. ये सीमा सिंह, कटिहार, बिहार. दिस अंबिका अग्निहोत्री, मगोत्रा, न्यू दिल्ली. बट द मोर रिमोट द प्लेस आई लाइक दैट मोर. फॉर एग्जांपल ये स्पर्श क्रिएशन अहमदाबाद से उनका ये क्रिएशन है. लवली. दिस फ्रॉम पुणे, महाराष्ट्र. माय फेवरेट महाराष्ट्र एंड माय फेवरेट बिहार. दिस दस्तरकारी हाट समिति, न्यू दिल्ली, उनका है ये. Similarly, you'll have Telangana again, and Mumbai. Lovely. This kind of exhibition keeps happening in the Habitat Center, so you can come and you'll be surprised with what they have on the show. This one is interesting. More such art here. ऐसे स्टॉल से मिलेंगे आपको, अभी कोई है नहीं.
Align the lines, please. There's one over here and there's one down here.
Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. उसका हैंडल डिस्क्रिप्शन पे @asoulwindow, ASOLSoul, WINDOW. मेरा ब्लॉग भी है, उसका भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, asoulwindow.com. थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, बेल आइकन दबाना भूलना नहीं. मैं भाग रहा हूँ अभी अपने नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन पे. एंड लुक एट दिस रैंडम आर्ट एवरीवेयर. मधुबनी आर्ट था वो. ये भी सब मधुबनी है. ब्यूटीफुल. बिहार का ये आर्ट फॉर्म है. लिखा भी है मधुबनी, बिहार. ये एक और आर्ट इंस्टॉलेशन लिफ्ट के अंदर. एक और लगा एग्जीबिशन यहाँ पे, ओपन पाम कोर्ट क्लेडियोस्कोप ऑफ थ्रेड्स. तो यहाँ पे काफ़ी ऐसे एग्जीबिशंस लगते रहते हैं. सामने एग्जीबिशन हॉल है. ये इसको बोलते हैं ओपन पाम कोर्ट. यहाँ पे लगा एग्जीबिशन. तो यू कैन सी काफ़ी क्रिएटिव स्पेस है एंड ब्यूटीफुल एग्जीबिशन. सो आपको टाइम मिले आप अवश्य ऐसी जगह पे आया करिए, जस्ट टू कम एंड अप्रिशिएट आर्ट इन ऑल इट्स फॉर्म. आई जस्ट क्विकली शो यू. So these are artists at work.
I'm Parboni, I'm a photographer Hi, I'm Parboni, I'm a photographer and this is my work on display around textiles. It's called Kaleidoscope of Threads and we are at Open Palm Court, IFC. This work that you see is Zardozi fabric actually. In this specific picture, he is holding up a garara which he's really proud of, and it actually belongs to a 1960 film, Mehboob Ki Mehndi, which starred Rajesh Khanna. He was the maker of it and he's very proud of it and he's holding that up. This is Gota Patti. As you can see, this is from Rajasthan, a small area in Naya Jaipur in Rajasthan. As you can see, these are the pattis. They actually pito it to fix it into places, and they spread the sheets over like this, and then they will do the entire salai. This is Banarasi fabric. Banarasi, here you can see in this picture specifically is real zari. This is the real silver zari that they are using to make the Banarasi fabrics. And this picture shows the warp in the web. This is handloom. The entire exhibition is around handloom and handicraft because that's what I wanted the focus to be on. I wanted it to be the human element behind the pictures. So you can see the warp in the web. In Hindi it's called Tana Bana, and that's what they are weaving. This is from a Ladakhi, she's a Ladakhi woman, this I got from McLeodganj. And you can see the sheep wool things that she's making. Sheep wool actually in India, it's a very, sheep wool in India is not commercialized because the short tufts. And it's used for really warm woolens and pashmina. This is block printing, Bagru block printing. The specialty of Bagru block printing is natural pigments. So here you can see the block and the natural pigments, and here are the samples. This is the kind of block that is used for the printing, and you can see the fabric. This is Banarasi. You can see the Zardozi. This is actually Banarasi brocade. If you see, these are the threads, these are the zari threads that are used, and in brocade they have to actually make the design absolutely like the designs are not visible, they'll have to see it in the mirror. That's what the image actually represents. And these are the zaris used. This is the Sona, this is the Rupa, and this has one thread of each. This here is really my favorite piece because I think this is everything Indian. This hand that you see is actually hand of a man with mehendi, with the zari, and I feel that it is so Indian in its nature with the silk threads in the background, and this has to be my favorite piece. This is Gota Patti again, and you can see the thread, the needle is right here. This hand is giving the needle, the other hand is waiting in anticipation for the needle. And as I told you about Gota Patti, it's a pitta work that actually happens. This is from Dharmshala, it's Thanka painting. Each of these paintings will take years to make. This small piece of Thanka that I can show you here actually took them 1 month to make. It's that intricate. Here there is, this is actually the Thanka painting. Here has Buddha and his avatars, and here you can see a monk praying in front of the same because it's considered holy. The prayer wheels and the monk. And one thing that you can notice in this entire pictures are that the framing is done in the sort of fabric that's actually being used. So here it's of the Tibetan, the gown that they wear with the piping. This is the Afghani hand knotted carpet. Here you can see that each of these knots are actually made like by hand, they have been put together, and this is the entire carpet. Here a person is holding the carpet to show, and that's what this is. This is the photo of the Ladakhi Aryan women. They are considered to be, the Aryan tribe is considered to be the last Aryans. They are actually the direct descendants of Alexander and his soldiers. And they are, this headpiece that you see here is a costume, is a part of the costume that they wear on an everyday basis and everything. One of the biggest things that plagues this entire society, or you can say is a good or a bad thing or whatever, but they are known for pregnancy tourism. A lot of women from outside actually come, because they want the Aryan genes. And you can see the work of the Ladakh. This is Shibori, you can see this. This is actually a Japanese technique, and this is from Sangani, Rajasthan. This is a Japanese technique of tie and dye, and you can see that she herself is wearing bandhani, which is the original Rajasthani tie and dye. And here are the images of dyeing. This is Bhadoi carpet. You can see the process of hand knotting here, which I was talking about, and they are hand knotting. This fabric that you can see actually here is the fabric here, and they've used vegetable dyes here. This. And this one, this specific piece is actually, this is silk dyeing, which is right before the Banarasi. So he's holding the silk before the silk is actually prepared, it's washed. After the washing, it will be dyed, dried and rolled into a yarn and then sent for that.